What's up? What's up? This your boy Big L, and you know this the beer review, where we take a product and tell you to put it in cool or special occasion. And before every video, I tell everybody thank you for watching videos and watching the old videos, picking up numbers on the viewer of the old videos, and comments that really off the old videos. And y'all like some old style I used to make videos, and hopefully I can bring it back. You know, but right now, this is a cold day in Mississippi, and I'm inside the house. I'm not going nowhere no time soon. And most important, without y'all, there's no show. Today, I ain't gonna be bad. I'm gonna tell you what's going on today. It's a good cold day, so I got a Ghost River Brewery Company, and I'm drinking a Grindhouse Cream Ale. I mean, the can itself just looks pretty good. It's a five board class. It's an odd number on it. And I got a lot of comments talking about blind at the back. These are reading glasses, and I need these that. Alright, this ABV. This AB ABC. It's 5.25%. Made out of Memphis. 12 ounce. Ain't no song. Okay, this is something dancing back. Alright. Well, the music little loud. The lights are little dim. And the cream ale is on point. We think you are like it in here. A brewery truly in Memphis, Tennessee, by independence in 2007. So, Grindhouse, Cream Ale. There it is. Let's put my reading glasses up. Let's get back. Most important, if you got friends, let your friend know. Your boy watching your boy channel, your friend be my friend. Let me comment. Bring it. Alright. Let's see, got cat. No, cat. Oh boy, let's make the mix. I ain't gonna lie, but do smell good though. This thing smells, it smells like damn. Hoping don't make me big toe. That's all I want. Smells good. I'm gonna let you see the color. But it smells like I understand the beer with the African glass, but the can got like a sweet smell to it. And I like that. I like this. I like that. That aroma of something creamy, something. Yeah. Hey, that's kind of hard to sell. I got the beer in this cream. I got beer in this cream. Nah, I don't creamy beer. I just want regular beer. So let's take a sip and see what we got. I got this beer. It's it smells sweet, but taste got bitter taste to it, and it has a like some like a mild bitter bitter, something like mild bitter. It's that's you taste the sweet off the bat, but the back end you get like that. The bitter taste that's back in your throat. It somehow nice drink. Remind you of a bit below Ultra, but a little bit stronger. Or maybe a Corona. In a little family group with that back taste. So let's check it and see do it have it back taste. And by the way, my chugging skills got worse at 52 years old. I was going to chug goddamn good. Let's see what happens. The chug, give a good taste. That chug, this creamy ale, this chug give a good taste. I recommend this. It tastes good. But let's get to the main point where to certain people watch my video want to know, will I put this in the cooler? I will put this in the cooler. You can't, the price might be a little bit steep, but I'll put this in the cooler. I'll tell you why. It's a nice, strong beer with a bit of taste of sweet up front that put it in ice, cool, or glass. It's delectable, good. It's definitely good for special occasions because we all know weddings, barbecues, parties, private parties. We all had a special beer that we put forward amongst the regular Budweiser, Corona, Modelo, Pabst Blue Ribbon, hell, even Keystone. And this beer fit in this blue for the put on tape one thing. Didn't show up. And I would give it 2 tomato wedges. And so, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe. 426. Cave out, we'll say it. Please share with friends, your friends, my friends, so everybody be cool with this world and have fun. And drink before you drink, and drink responsibly. This your boy Big A, and I'm out.